Well, hi, my name is Dwayne McNeil. I'm with Sanjamar. We are a company that's basically built of 2 different brands and 5 different key categories. Sanjamar introduced color coding to the cutting board system. The whole concept is you should be choosing a specific color for every different situation. You don't want to be cross-contaminating, and that's the key. You don't want to have mixing your meats with your vegetables. You don't want to be mixing chicken with beef, for instance. We've even provided a color-coded guide so that people know that when you're in a kitchen environment and you want to ensure that you're not cross-contaminating, that you should follow this guide and make sure that you're using the right product for the right application. It's our purple allergen board. Purple's an odd new color, but the whole idea is it stands out. Built right in and molded right into the product is the most common sources of allergies. So we're really identifying this product as something that should be only used in a certain application. We came out initially with the board, but then we had the idea of building it into a kit. We added to it a knife, tongs, spatula, and a space for a thermometer. The whole idea then is once you've done the application, whether it be an allergy or even perhaps a kosher meal, this thing can be cleaned, sanitized, and put away until it's needed again. Very clearly marked as an allergen board. What we're focusing on today is the food service side of our business, where we're very large into cup dispensing, napkin dispensing. We've got over-the-counter, we've got under-counter. Important thing about cup dispensing is one at a time dispensing. So you're not gonna, so your costs are contained. Your hygiene, you're protecting the product, and it's not being left out, as you can see in certain applications where the cups are stacked and people may take a few and then put their hands all over it and put them back. We've got a lot of solutions for around a bar area. Again, so that you're not only protecting the food, but you're also keeping it contained in small areas. You know, most bars are very limited in their space. We've created a product that has trays that can be removed. We have both a shallow tray and a deep tray. The shallow tray is nice because it allows you to put either an ice pack or to put ice under the tray. It's designed to tilt towards the bartender to restrict a patron's choice or desire to reach over and take something from it as well. And then a dome. We've created a unique product called, it's called a safety wrap station. It's basically a product that's easily moved around the room. It allows for, once you've done your mise en place, you can either use foil, wax paper, or a plastic wrap to wrap up your product. It takes the dating product, whether it be a day dot or whatever choice of product you want to use to label your product. There's a lot of interchangeable sizes. You can move a variety of different size labels you can put in here. The unique thing about this is this particular unit has a metal blade on it. It comes with 4 separate blades, or you can get a slider as well. It's got very good plastic feet on it. It'll stick right onto a stainless steel table and hold very well. Or there's hooks on the side as well. Allows you on a wire rack to be able to hook it, so that it's, again, staying out of the way. Sanjamar acquired a company called Best Value Textiles a couple of years ago. That has made us probably the largest distributor of safe hands products in the world. Safe hand products that range anywhere between cut, freezer, and heat resistance.